Hello mga katol! In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 3 recommendations on what you can do in South Cebu, Philippines, one of the most famous visited provinces in the country. Let's get started. Number 1. Oslob. Oslob is a small coastal town located about 120 kilometers away from Cebu City. Hundreds of tourists visit this place each year for whaleshark watching.
I recommend that you take lots of water
So you can stay hydrated all throughout.
Whalesharks pose no threat to humans.
And they are very friendly, so just say hi to them. An encounter with this giant fish is a thrilling experience. Number 2. Badian is 80 kilometers away from Oslo. One can get into an ultimate adrenaline adventure in Badian. If you're into leaping off waterfalls, sliding down rocks, and swimming through the rough waters, then canyoneering in Kawasan Falls is great activity for you. Fun. The activity will take you 2 to 4 hours to complete and it's tiring, but it's all worth it. Number 3. Moalboal is about 20 kilometers away from Badian. Moalboal is famous for its Sardine Run, just off the shore of Moalboal in Cebu Island. There's a lot of sardines swimming around, like millions of them. When you go on snorkeling in the waters of Moalboal, there's also a great chance to see giant turtles. And lucky enough, I saw one. And if you are into diving, then you may consider this spot to explore. If you are more into adventure when traveling, then South Cebu is the right place for you. That's it guys, I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you also enjoy watching. Show some love and support and subscribe to this channel.